Microsoft Entra Review US Business Security Essentials. So it is known as Azure Active Directory in the past, which is a cloud-based identity and active management service that centralizes users' authentication, authorization, and security policies for US businesses. So let's talk about its pros and cons. For the pros, it offers strong adaptive securities, which supports conditional access policies that use real-time signals to acquire or require additional verifications as well. It also has an identity governance automation, which features like entitlement management, access reviews, and privilege identity management, which help enforce the least privilege and automate identity life cycles. It also offers seamless Microsoft ecosystem integrations, so it works well tightly with any Microsoft or Azure services. It also has a zero trust architecture alignment designed for zero trust, and it also offers advanced threat protections. Now for the cons though, the licensing also has complexity and could be expensive with a cost. It also requires a steep learning curve. It has a critical vulnerabilities for the security itself, and they have an interface and group complexity as well. So overall, it is a foundation security service for US businesses, especially those already in the Microsoft ecosystem. It offers extremely robust identity protection, adaptive access, and automated governance, making it a go-to for enterprises prioritizing zero trust and privileged access security. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications